Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm showing you how to create custom Gmail templates for fast replies. So to set this up, you need to load Gmail inside a desktop browser window, as this master customization panel isn't accessible inside a basic mobile app. Then look at the very top right corner of your interface screen and click on the settings gear icon, which is right here. Then you need to see all settings. To do that, click on this button here, highlighted in blue. There you go, and you'll be taken to this screen. Then guys, you need to go to the advanced tab right here on the top, right here. Right, and then scroll down until you spot the templates utility row. There you go, there's our templates. And then click to enable them. Save the changes. Your browser will reload, and now you can click on the compose button, which is going to be right over here, and type out your precise message copy. But listen closely. Manually delete your default email signature from this specific draft block. If you leave your signature sitting inside this template text, Gmail will double stamp a duplicate signature over your text every time you deploy this asset later down the road. And to select your template, 3 dots to bring up more options menu, go templates, and as you can see in here, you can choose the one you want. That's it, pretty simple. Enjoy the guide as always guys, and see you soon.